Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Get ready to experience the ultimate off-road thrill with the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63. This beast of a vehicle is packed with advanced features and capabilities that will take your adventures to the next level. From its rugged exterior design to its luxurious interior, the Patrol Y63 is the perfect combination of form and function. Watch as we take a closer look at this incredible SUV and explore its impressive specs, including its powerful engine, advanced 4WD system, and cutting-edge technology features. Seasoned off-roader or just looking for a vehicle that can handle any terrain, the 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 is sure to impress. Join me as I take the new 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 for a spin and see if I can handle this beast on the toughest terrains. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 is a powerhouse of an off-road vehicle known for its unmatched performance and durability in the most challenging terrains. It's no surprise that it's become a legend in the off-road community with a reputation that precedes it. Off-road vehicles face some of the toughest challenges when it comes to performance and durability. One wrong move and you're left stranded in the middle of nowhere with a broken axle or worse. The stakes are high and only a select few can truly deliver on their promises. The terrain is unforgiving and the elements are relentless. It takes a special kind of vehicle to survive, let alone thrive, in these conditions. That's why it's so impressive when an off-road vehicle like the Patrol Y63 comes along, defying expectations and pushing the boundaries of what's thought possible. It's not just about raw power, although that's certainly part of it. It's about finesse, control, and a deep understanding of the terrain. When an off-road vehicle gets it right, it's a beautiful thing to behold. But what does it take to truly stand out in this crowded market? Is it the engine power, the suspension, or something more intangible? Whatever it is, the Patrol Y63 has it in spades. The hood, the Patrol Y63 packs a mighty 5.6-liter V8 engine, producing a staggering 405 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. That's right, folks, this thing is a beast. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about how that power is delivered. Advanced technology. With features like intelligent around-view monitoring and a state-of-the-art navigation system, this vehicle is equipped to handle anything the trail throws its way. Whether you're tackling rocky inclines or wading through chest-deep water, the Patrol Y63 has got your back. Of course, there are plenty of off-road vehicles out there that can tackle tough terrain, but few can do it with the style and sophistication of the Patrol Y63. This is a vehicle that's truly in a league of its own, with a performance metric that's sure to raise some eyebrows.